Hello guys, what's more with this? Today we're gonna play Frozen, I don't know, Frozen Trails Train, guys. So anyways guys, if you like some more videos, subscribe. So anyways, I'm going to load my topic is real, but anyways, wait for me. I don't know. Ugh, Devil, what are you doing? Here. Okay. Hey, me. What happened? Do not. No. 4 player only. You can't allowed. Look at you. You're an idiot. Get out of here. Get lost. Okay, so I'm not gonna leave. So it will take a few seconds I think. Hey, what are you doing? Alright, what? We're going on a trip, guys. We're going on a trip, guys. Yes. Yes, give it to us. Okay, so anyways, what? I have $20, but I cannot buy. And I wanted to save my money. Let me get her money. Hey. Yeah. Hey, can I get? Yes. Oh no, I accidentally get it. Okay. Okay, fine. Oh my god. Okay. I get it. What are you doing? $75. Wait, why? What? Can I get it? No. Please. No, please. Come on. Okay. Okay. Please stop. Please, or else I'll leave. Please. Stop it. What's that? Yeah. Hello. Oh, hi. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to leave you guys. Joking is just joking. I'm driving. Hey, look at me. Hey, Goblin, what are you doing? Robert, what's that? What are you doing? Why? What the heck happened to you? And also you. What happened? Oh yeah, Minecraft. Okay. Minecraft. Yes. Oh yeah, Minecraft. Yes. Oh, okay. Hello. Call. I don't have calls, so that's okay. Wait. I forgot to buy. Oh, I just accidentally lost my money. Wait, the ad. Wait, player, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. I have 0, so that's okay. Yes. Okay. I'm staring at you. Why? No, what are you doing? Yes. Hey, what happened? I'm not gonna jump. Skip toilet. What happened to you? What happened? Oh my god. Stop lagging. Don't push me. Red. Okay. I'm going to stand there and look her. Okay. Hey, stop. Hey, Aurel. Hey, stop it. We're gonna buy coal. Kuya, how many dollars do you have? 0. What do you buy on? Coal. Because I accidentally wasted money. Yes. Agavoli. What is Agavoli? Hi, Agavoli. What are you doing? I think his name is Agavoli, guys. What's that? Just looking at you, staring at you. I'm going to see you. Hey, what are you doing? Look at you. No. Hey. Standing with Agavela. Volley. Gavoli. Or standing there. Like this. So, subscribe it now. Okay. Okay. That's fine. I do have this. I need to attack.
Oh no, we're low at you. You made me low.
Just look at you. Staring at you. Daring is Agavela.
Everyone is
Daring. Just staring at you.
Hey.
What happened? Stop. Stop doing that.
How did Kuya?
Stop.
Kuya go?
I found you.
I thought
Hey. Stop pushing me. Or else I'll push you. Oh.
Oh, I thought it was Bibi.
Oh, bye.
Oh, what are you saying?
What happened to you, Goblin? Hey, Goblin, what happened to you?
So kill some Yeti.
Or this Robert?
We don't have bodies.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Kill some bodies.
We need to kill bodies. I need Buttercup. Buttercup? Sila old Buttercup.
Okay, can someone buy coal? Maybe buy coal. Oh, there's a Yeti.
Or else I'll kill it. I'll kill it for now on. I'll kill you. Oh.
Okay,
I'm going to kill the Yeti, huh? I'm going to sniff your armpit, huh? Ah! I was trying to sniff your armpit. Bruh, you're sus. You're so sus to kill me. Oh my god. How? Huh? You trying me? What else? Haha, look at... Hey, hey! Look! Oh! No. Do you stop? Huh? You trying me, huh? You're trying to kill me? Frozen monster, huh? Ouch! 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 Hey, move! Mama! I can't, I'm lagging. Mama. How dare ya? What happened? Yeti. Ouch! Sorry, Yeti. I'm sorry that I could just accidentally kill me. Try me, huh? Yeti, huh? Try me, or else I'll attack you. Going to get the Yeti. I'm going to put the Yeti. Let's sneak it. Bro, I wanted to put the Yeti in the tree. I wanted to put the Yeti in a tree. Yes. What happened to you? Stop forcing me. Can I grab you? Or just can I sniff your armpit, please? I'll sniff it.
I'll just play Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
I'm not gonna fall. Stop it. I'm going to. No. I know. So I'm going to staring at you during I'm going to see your armpit. Hey, sorry. I'm going to stare at you. I'm staring at you during where's Agovila? Really? Where's her? What are you doing? Where's it? Where's Adi? Where's Adi?
I died.
You died? Where are you? Joke? Where are you?
Because I was lagging.
Fine, okay. Just staring at you during
No, you know
it's
that
good.
body because when I stopped lagging, I was dead.
I was staring at you during the thing. Hey, sorry, please. I'm staring at you.
Let's go to the village.
Please.
Village, gusto mo?
Armpit brothers. Armpit brothers, I think. Or else I'll kill it. Okay. Wow. I'm just staring at him. No. I don't want to be alone. I want to be with you. This minion staring at you. Wearing a blind cover. Hey, do not kill me. I'm sorry that I wanted to kiss you.
No, we need body.
Can I kiss you? Okay. Oh my god. Your face is cute. And I like you. And I really. I'm going to. No, I don't want to drop. I'm going to kill Yeti with the armpit strong. Oh, armpit strong. Oh, strong. Armpit strong. Hot boy. Mm-hmm.
Ah, this is Yeti. This is Yeti.
There's so many. My little Yeti.
Someone
I can't even run.
Alex, help me.
Oh, I should just get it. I know how to get it. Okay. Why there's so many Yetis there? And there's a frozen. I'm going to. Why there's, you're almost dead. Huh? You're almost dead. I'm going to get. I'm going to. Hey. You're almost dead, huh? Look at the Yeti, huh?
I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
I'm going to get the Yeti and also go to the train. And also I'm going to put in a wheel. There.
Got two.
There.
Wait lang.
Wait. There's
Bodies
me.
we need. I found
No.
the Yeti.
You found the Yeti, huh? Where's Robert? I'm going to get the Yeti there. I'm going to get the Yeti.
Sino yan?
No.
I got six. Diamond!
No. Wait. I got this.
Oi guys, let's go now.
Okay, I know. I got this one. What is this called? I don't know what's called this.
I got a diamond.
Yes, I know.
What about?
You got a diamond. I got this one. Red thing. Bro. No. I wanted to get it. Just wanted to get it. What did I glitch? What happened to him? Look.
Wait lang.
What happened? Oh, you're walking. Because I like this glitching. What happened to her? No!
No. We are just lagging.
What? No.
How?
What happened? What happened? Did I just lag? Can I go there? Can I go to the train and just being stuck? I'm going to die. What happened? I'm going to die.
Aray?
Look at me.
Guys?
What happened? You know?
Guys, I think Guys?
Ouch! Ouch! What the heck? What the heck happened? You got flamed?
Guys, I got flamed.
Bruh, I need to restart. Can I end? Can I end or not? Please. Do not leave me. How dare you leave me? Why did I disconnect again? I have no internet.
I got flamed.
What happened?
I think summer. Or frostbite. Until I got flamed.
Oh my god, what
I
happened?
can't even leave. That's it. There's a Yeti. There's a Yeti. There's a Yeti.
Oh, there is. Where's it?
Someone please help
Where's
me.
Robert?
There's a Yeti.
I can't find it. Because I really want it to. No. How many groups? 13?
No.
Start. Oh wait,
God.
one. I'm one. Okay. Shukon, kiss me.
Wait. There's a Yeti. Nabalaging ako.
Ha 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 ha.
I left. Kuya, did you leave?
Because I keep on just disconnect. I keep disconnected now. I keep disconnect because of this. Oh, because of you. I'm going to go this way. Teleport. Teleport. Sing. Yeah, this part is. But anyways guys, I'm going to end it for a second, so anyways, what is full name reward? So anyways, I like this train. So anyways, I just claimed the reward. So goodbye guys.